loves. Sorry, Luna's here again. I know a lot of you guys love when she's here, but she just has moments where she's jumped on me probably 4 times. I keep like snuggling her, putting her down and being like, okay. And she's like, no, I need snuggles right now. So she's going to join us for a minute. But anyway, today we're going to do a Revolution Beauty haul. I have a lot of new stuff. I have the whole jewel collection to share with you guys. So many fun things. Of course, there's already been a full Revolution tutorial using some of these items, but we're just going to talk about them anyway and go over them because I know you guys love a good Revolution haul. I also have some restocks of my foundation and stuff like that. Girl, I did 100% Colourpop tutorial. I'm like, I love this foundation. I loved it in the summer, but in the winter I'm looking dry and I miss my Revolution foundation right now. But anyway, we're going to hop into this haul. But before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're talking about are their new primers. They came out with 4 new primers. I did a whole video on these. Of course, I made the mistake of overusing this color correcting one around my nose area, which is oily. Like, I have a super oily nose, so I don't recommend going with this one and then the mattifying one because it does interfere with the mattifying properties. The hydrating one I put all over my cheeks. The pore blur one I put like in my pore areas, and the mattifying one I just put on my nose and maybe a little on my chin because that's where I have oil. But again, there's a whole video on these, so I'm not going to go too in depth into them, but I'm definitely a fan so far. The next thing is just another one of the liner revolutions. This is just their felt tip liner. You guys have seen this, but I do really like it. If I store it upside down, that's my biggest recommendation for you. If you store it upside down, the pigment stays in the tip a lot longer. Here, it's got a nice long fine tip and it is really black. If you store it upside down, it's amazing. If you store it this way, it's going to be super dry. So it definitely, I recommend putting it in your makeup bag or makeup caddy or whatever you've got like this because you're going to get a much better result. See, I got all 3 of the Jewel Collection palettes. I have a video already where I use the gilded one. I'll definitely be sure to try and link that down below or in the cards for you guys. But these are just such pretty neutral palettes. Let me show you. My nails are horrendous per usual. But yeah, this one's just nice and gold. There's some really pretty shades in here. I was thinking of doing a whole video on the Jewel collection because there's so many good products in it. Let me know if you guys want that, or I could swatch all these palettes and every highlighter and lip gloss. I mean, I'm going to swatch the highlighters and lip gloss in this video, but if you want a more in-depth one, like look how beautiful those are. The ones across the top, the bigger pans are nice and metallic, and then most of the other ones are matte with a couple shimmers popped in, but this performed really well. I really enjoyed this palette, so this one I'm a fan of. I haven't used these other 2 yet. This one right here is Deluxe. This one is Deluxe. It's a little more like pinky, rose goldy. So beautiful. They killed it with this. These metallic ones are so pretty, you guys. That copper is insane. Look at those. The bottom 3 are from this palette and the top 3 are from the Gilded palette. And of course the mattes and everything are, they're really good. They are up to the like Revolution standard. I really am liking these palettes. Here, I'll swatch. Let me swatch a matte. Like, that's some good pigment down there. You see it? That's just a little boop, boop, swatch. But yeah, again, this is what this guy looks like. Nice and pinky. And then we have Opulent. I love that I said that 3 times. Opulent. I think that's how you say it. This guy is much more cool toned. It's a little bit dusty. Really pretty though. It's got some nice pinks, some dusty roses. So let's swatch a few from here. I love swatching these top ones because they're just so metallic, so pretty. Right over here are from this one. These are just blinding. Look at that. Imagine these applied wet too. I used one of these shades on my lid and I didn't even wet it or anything. It looked super metallic. So again, I'll give you guys one more look at this one. Definitely rosy and cool toned and beautiful. I have all 3 of the new Starstruck highlighters. Of course, the only one I've opened is the lightest one. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, I used this in that video. I love all of their triple baked highlighters. They are gorgeous. My favorite of all time is Goddess of Love, but this one, it's so pretty. It's a nice pinky one. This one's Starstruck. So pretty. And it just has that same beautiful baked texture. This one, again, is much more intense if you wet the brush. So if you can see the bottom one, it just kind of brightens it a little bit. But it's really beautiful. I wore this guy over some of the jelly highlights, which we'll get to in a minute. But it's really beautiful. This next one is Superstar. This one is definitely way too dark for me, but this might be a beautiful eyeshadow. Or I'm going to just donate it or pass it along to someone with deeper skin than I have. It's very pretty. It's a nice copper shade. I love this type of highlight on deeper skin. So beautiful. Let's look at Gold Star. This one I think again is going to be too dark for me, but I feel like it's so nice that they really, when they put out highlighters and stuff like this, they tailor them so that someone with fair skin can use one of them, and then like someone with medium skin and someone with deeper skin. I like that they do make sure all bases are covered. These would make really pretty eyeshadows though. Not that I need any more eyeshadow, but oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Dang, girl, that is gold. Golden. They're so cute too. I like that they're little stars. All right, next we have the jelly highlighters. I used these again in that video and I was just so excited about them. They look so crazy in here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. They feel so weird, but you just use a tiny bit. I put a ton on the back of my hand. Sorry, guys. I love using these kind of as a base because I love a really, really intense highlight. Of course, if you have drier skin, you might love these because you can just pop them on and just like tap them out and they will be good to go. So this one's Dazzling, the silver one. And then we have Prestigious, which I think is so pretty. It's just kind of a rose goldy kind of one. Pinky highlight. The consistency is interesting in the best way. Look at those though. They are just blinding. So again, this one is Prestigious. I feel like this one's going to be the most popular one. There's also a gold one, which I'm really excited to swatch because I haven't yet. Yes, so satisfying. Oh, so pretty. So that one is Monumental. All of those gorgeous. I'm gonna have to hurry and wipe these off because they do dry down and they stick. They stay. So. And then I just have backups of my F1 and F0.5. These are the two shades in the Conceal and Find foundation that I use. I am so obsessed with this foundation. I just said this funny, but it really, truly, I still love it. It's definitely my favorite foundation of 2018, and it's probably going to be my favorite of 2019. Like, I can't imagine anything topping this. I have not had a foundation that, like, works for my combo skin like this one does. It doesn't emphasize my dryness. It doesn't, like, emphasize my oiliness. It's just the perfect. Thank you, Makeup Revolution. There are we've got 3 of these dazzling, what are they called? They're lip toppers. So we've got 3 of them. Again, they kind of mimic the same kind of shades as the jelly highlighters, where there's kind of a goldy one, there's kind of a silver one, there's kind of a pinky one. So let's swatch them. This one right here is Exquisite. So they just kind of have a glitter. I'll swatch them all and then I'll get up close. So again, the top one is going to be Exquisite, which is kind of the pinky one. All right, so this one is in Fortune. It's the silver one. They just have a bunch of little micro glitters in there, just super shimmery. There's those. Let me swatch the last one and I'll give you a little bit more of a close-up. Oh, this one looks so pretty. It's like a pinky gold. This one is Luxurious. Wow. So pretty, you guys. I got another one of the Mascara Revolutions. This is absolutely my favorite mascara. I have my open one sitting right here. My only issue with this guy is that it doesn't really pull a lot off the brush. You have to kind of manually take it off. But seriously, every time I wear this mascara, someone will be like, what mascara are you wearing? Because it's just so good and you need like one coat. It's just amazing. Like amazing. This definitely made it in my top 2018 favorites because it's just so good. So good. So I got another one of those. All right. And then I have a bunch of the, what are they? The I Heart Chocolate lip glosses. Oh my goodness. This one right here is my favorite. This one is, I think it's chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. My hand's a little stained. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them. Oh, just like the most perfect pinky nude right here. And it smells like cake or cookies or baked goods. So it's perfect. I love that one. Honeycomb. They all kind of smell the same. Maybe it smells a little bit different. It's hard to tell. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's got honeycomb. If you guys want a lip swatch video of these, let me know and I will do that for you. Chocolate Brownie. It's kind of pinky. They're pigmented too. They're like pigmented glosses. That one right there is Chocolate Brownie. Mint Chocolate. This one smells mint. So maybe they are kind of aiming to make them smell like their name, because this one definitely does smell minty and it is kind of chocolatey. It's right there, Mint Chocolate. It smells good. Salted Caramel. This one I'm really excited about too. I feel like I'm gonna really like this one. If you are like me and you like kind of rosy nudes, then I think that you're gonna love Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough and Salted Caramel. These two. Yes, queen. Oh, okay. This one smells like caramel. I love caramel. Caramel's like my favorite thing. So that smells insane. Insane. What is this one? This one is chocolate orange. Let's see if it smells like orange. I'm very intrigued by these. It does! So cute! Ooh, this is a good one too. If you like a little more warm, kind of the same color family as I do though. Ugh. It smells like one of those chocolate oranges. For real though. Chocolate fudge. It looks very fudgy and warm. I'm excited for this one. I need to wear warmer shades of lipstick. I always stick to the cool tones because I'm so scared of my teeth looking yellow. Whitening them. It's right there. Ooh, that's pretty, girl. Then we have one left. What are you? Mocha. Whoever was in charge of like putting these scents in killed it. Killed it. They're so good. Like a few of them kind of just smell kind of the same, but like a little bit different. Like honeycomb smelled a little bit like honey. But a few of them are like dead on. Dead on. Like this smells like mocha. And mint smells like, the mint chocolate smells like mint chocolate. But that's what all of those look like. Wow, they're so pretty. I love me a nude gloss, a nude opaque gloss. I love it. I love it. All right, love. So that is everything I picked up in this Revolution haul. Let me know what you are most excited about. If you've tried any of these things, what you think. Let me know if you want that in-depth jewel collection video, because I will do that for you, because those are a lot of really fun things, given that was kind of a holiday collection. But I'll definitely still do it if you want. I know there's been a lot of Revolution videos lately. There's always so many new releases, and you guys just seem to love those videos more than anything else. So it just makes the most sense to do the videos that you guys want to see. But let me know what kind of stuff you want to see next, whether it be Revolution or not. I cannot wait for those lid toppers, like the eye toppers, to drop. I don't know if you guys have seen the preview on those, but they look so cool where it's got like the dual ended, like I assume it's gonna be like one's like an opaque metallic shadow and then one side's gonna be glitter. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for them to dupe the glitter and glow shadows for so long, so I'm excited. It looks kind of like the new Huda Beauty dual ended ones where one side's kind of like a cream shadow and one's a glitter. But anyway, I'm just excited because there are so many cool things coming for Revolution. They're just so on top of it. But yes, just let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe before you leave. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Also, everything is linked down below. I do have an affiliate link with Revolution, so everything down below is linked and affiliated. So if you want them to know that I sent you, please use the links down below. And by the way, I do want to mention that most of the stuff was sent as a gift from Revolution. Thank you so much to Revolution for that. It means the world. But yeah, I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. But since I'm not going to be really this gilded palettes, like not the gilded palette, I was thinking of it opulent. I don't have any makeup wipes down here anymore. I used them all up. What am I gonna do? Girl, fair snow. Just letting these bangs do whatever they want.